Your CRM sucks and it's not your fault. Now, I would wager that you find yourself time and time again jumping from system to system to system, or maybe you have to use a company provided system. And not only does it suck, but you feel handcuffed to that actual brokerage, even though we know they're probably not the best for you. Well, this is often what real estate agents are facing, and it's an issue that I've spent my entire career trying to help you solve. As a lifetime real estate technologist and self-described second generation entrepreneur, I have sat down and I have spent my entire career watching and listening to the gurus of real estate talk about how they were able to build the business of what often you would consider your dreams, right? The 100+ transaction business, or the business that lets you leave work at 3 p.m. to go pick up the kids, and yet nothing seemed to fall through the cracks. Or maybe it's the business that allows you to take 2 weeks of paid time off, guaranteed, and yet you never seem to fall behind. Now, all of these agents have one secret, and it's systems. So what I've done is I built a 3-day event, and we're actually going to sit down. We're going to look at how to identify these systems. Then I'm going to show you how once you've identified these systems, you can add automations to them using a modern tool that is not only going to help you deliver a world-class client experience, but it's going to empower you to do much more. Now, once you have these automations, you're taking manual tasks off your plate, which frees up the time to be able to do all of these things that they're building. And that's the power in the system. And the other power of it is that not only is it going to allow you to deliver that world-class client experience to one person, but it scales, meaning you can help 100 people and they're going to receive the same great experience. So now all you have to do is show up and be the great real estate agent that you know you are, to help them to build relationships and ultimately make their dreams come true. Now, when you do this right, your systems are going to be working for you. And using modern tools, these systems can also be helping you with custom content specifically for the person who's receiving the content. It's going to help you with these automations, or it's going to help you by allowing you to know exactly what's coming up. And this is something that most of these current CRMs or company provided CRMs just simply cannot do, because oftentimes they're over 30 years old. Now, I don't know about you, but Living La Vida Loca was on the charts 30 years ago. And I don't know that I would trust a system that was that old. So what we're going to be doing is, over this event, we're going to be diving in to how Sam is going to help you solve this solution. It's a modern tool that is built using modern technology, which is going to allow you to do much more. And ultimately, it's built by a real estate technologist who has your business best interests at heart. And what we're going to do is we're going to sit down over this event, and I'm going to show you exactly how we can completely revolutionize your real estate business. So go ahead and click the link below, get signed up for the Your First AI Systems event, and you're going to walk away having your very first AI system built. And that's pretty neat.